The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the first video that I'm about to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows a violent confrontation between a man and a woman that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. See? Now, at the time when I saw the video on social media, allegedly it is said that a member of parliament was involved in the incident shown in the video. Now, I read a news article where it is said that a minister from within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of Olivia Grange condemned the video, and it is said that Minister Grange talked to the Minister of National Security about the video, and it is said that the Minister of National Security within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Dr. Horace Chang, asked the police to look into the matter. Now, I read another news article where it is said that Hanover police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that a Westmoreland Central Member of Parliament filed a complaint against a woman. Right? Now, it might not be word for word as to how I read it in the news article, but it is said that the Westmoreland Central Member of Parliament filed a complaint against the woman he alleged attacked him. See? And it is said that he filed the complaint on the 6th of April year 2021. It is said that the Member of Parliament goes by the name of George Wright. Yeah, it is said that he filed a complaint against the woman. So when I add all of those things that I read in different news articles, viewers and subscribers, I'm saying to myself, this whole thing sounds kind of mixed up to me. But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about the video or the whole incident. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows a violent confrontation between a man and a woman. You see me? And I only hope you understand how I explain some of the things that I said I read in news articles about the video or the incident. Alright? Now, I saw a video circulating on social media where it is said that a man got caught stealing from a food store. You see? Some places on social media, it is said that the man got caught stealing from a supermarket. However, it is said that the man got caught stealing, you see me? And it is said that the video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded, you see me? However, for some reason, this video has been talked about on social media. Right? And I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? This video is going to show when the person was being searched. This video is going to show when the person's pants had been pulled down to the ground and items had been removed from the person's pants. You see me? And in this video, you're going to hear persons talking in the background of this video as well. Viewers and subscribers, I'm just trying to let you know what this video is about before I present it to you, alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I wish one in there. More in there?
More in there?
Make him drop in pants. He need to drop in pants.
Are you more in there now?
Can't be, brother. Can't be. He can't be.
You too.
Alright. Okay then.
Inside have big one. Big one inside.
Big one. Not in there.
Take off. Take off.
No, come on, carry on this. Carry on this. Something underneath it.
What do you have? Hey, big one now.
Bombo class!
Well, and they take you. No, sir. You can't believe this. You know I'm reminded?
So much two time bully beef. Oh, yeah, the carry cheese, you know. No carry cheese.
No, carry back.
What the cheese that's man? What the cheese that's man?
Look here, Put it back, put it back, put them down.
No, take out a packet then. No, and you carry down some piece here. I'm gonna get some stuff taken out. You take out the packet then. Where you come from? Take out the letter. Come to the basket, stop playing now. Basket. Search him go there.
I only hope say them not put back that tin of cheese and no shelf in no supermarket nor no food store, you know. Yeah, because where that cheese was at, I don't think that cheese should be put back in no supermarket nor no shelf to be sold. I don't think so. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? The next video I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, I got the understanding that this video contains a video and a voice note conversation. And it is said that the voice note conversation is between a person who goes by the name of Pretti Dan and another person. It is said that Pretti Dan and another person talked about a video that shows a person saying some things that are considered to be disrespectful towards Pretti Dan. And I got the understanding that the video shows a man saying that Pretti Dan should stop calling the Prime Minister and other leaders within the country of Jamaica name and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video, alright? Now, some harsh languages have been used in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Prime Minister them, none of leaders them never agree with you when you get all visa for left out of Jamaica. Big Camille down stop. Hey girl, stop call up the Prime Minister them name. No call female nor blood clot male name. Hey girl, I say any blood clot name me and your book, you have to go defend your blood clot bad man shit. Pretti Dan.
Mr. Chrissy, Anna asked if the people them now rub the child, you know. Just wake up to it, my love. Just wake up to she.
It's a rub him want. That, you know, it's like every minute when we do something about Jamaica, you have one of them here come. You understand me? The last time our man in our mask where you look like you buy one of the Halloween store them and him carry on. This one you know him can't come nowhere near my blood clot lace cause no bad man ship no in him at all. The whole of my friend them at Jamaica use him as martyr. I used to use them now build house. My friend man ask a whole heap of boy underneath them the 6'6" there. Underneath enough of them blood clad construction house where you see enough boy under cement in it like him. But him just want a cussing from me now. Guess what go on now? You see like how him there is a different Prime Minister and a different one go on. Him a kill the girl them. People.
Mr. Christina ask if me no laser. Mr. watch attention right here, so. Blood clot, why this child go drink bleach and him glass back? Andrew Afiagi she or Shaggy Andrew. Hey, the people them rub the woman, you know. One big black miserable blood clot scandal bag when I use again. I don't know why them not go force up themselves in something deep when nobody can find them, not even for use tweezer for all them out back. I don't know why I'm telling them to Andrew must give him to blood clot for him a defense Andrew, so the people them a lick out for Andrew left, right and center down to the nasty cranny labor right them. So what does she saw? What wrong with she come out so strong in the man in your pie, yo? Me blood clot, tell them.
Me nah ask a blood clot. It's a boss she a look at Jamaica tough like crackers. Understand me? Yeah. Them a look so YouTube buddy, them a look at attention, them a look at boss. I just know that. Right now Jamaica tough like steel to blood like cement. So blood clot. This is a blood clot and call for back there come from.
Well, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm gonna leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You see me? You can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. Alright, and alright, so yeah, Big up, you know. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Alright, so soon the next time, I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla.